Okay, so you've updated your website to the latest version, which is version 5.0 with the Gutenberg editor, and then you realize that your website is either running slow or something is broken and it's not working well. Well, it may seem like the end of the road, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to revive your website and make it work again. Hi, my name is Mak from MakUniversity.com, where I create web design and marketing tutorials. So before we begin, if you want to learn how to design websites using WordPress, I have a free WordPress mastery course based on WordPress 5.0, which has the latest Gutenberg editor. The link to that is in the description below. This course is 100% free. So let's dive in. Let me show you how to revive your website. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you log into the admin dashboard of your website. So right now I am logged in, as you can see, and then the next stage now is just to show you that I am running WordPress 5, which has the Gutenberg editor. So I'm just going to come over here, click on Add New to create a new page, and as you can see, this is the brand new editor. So now that we've established that my website is running the latest WordPress 5 Gutenberg, the next stage now is to install a plugin which allows us to get rid of this editor. So I'm going to come over here to plugins, click on Add New. So the plugin that we need is called Classic Editor. So here it is. I'm going to click on Install Now. So what this plugin does is it disables the latest Gutenberg editor. So this could be the problem that is causing your website not to work well. So now let's go back and let's see if the editor is gone. So I'm going to come again here on Pages, click on Add New, and now you notice that that Gutenberg editor is gone. So we are back to how things were before we updated to the new editor. So now that you've done this, what you need to do is to check your website, test it, and see if everything is working okay. Now, if you're still having problems, this could be that it's the WordPress version 5 that is causing the problem. So again, I have a solution for that, and this is also by installing a plugin which allows you to downgrade your WordPress install from WordPress 5 to perhaps WordPress 4.9.8. So again, let's come over here to plugins. I'm going to click on Add New. So the plugin is called WP Downgrade. So I'm going to search for it. Okay, and here it is. So this is the one that you want to download. So there are quite a few with the same word downgrade. So just make sure you download this one right here. So I'm going to click Install Now. And then I'm going to activate it. Right, so now once activated, the next stage now is to go to the settings. So right now you can see that we have WordPress target version 5.0. This is what we are running. So to downgrade, you just need to come over here and enter the version that you want to downgrade to. Now, of course, some of us may not remember what version we had before. So there's a quick way to do this. So you can come over here to WP Releases. So I'm going to open this in a new tab, and then we're going to see the list of all the releases. So over here, we can see that before WordPress 5, we had WordPress 4.9.8. So I'm just going to copy that, highlight it, copy it, and then that's what I'm going to paste here. So you don't want to go way too down here in terms of these updates, because remember, when WordPress does all these updates, there's also security updates. So if you go back all the way down here to 4.8, you may run the risk of your website being open to attacks. So just go back to the latest one or the one just before the WordPress 5 and then see how that works. So now I'm going to come back over here and we're going to click on Save Changes. Okay, so now that we have that, the next stage now is to click on up or downgrade the core. So now we need to downgrade the whole WordPress to version 4.9.8. So I'm going to click here on downgrade core. So it's going to take a bit of time to reinstall WordPress 4.9.8. So over here, I just need to confirm that, reinstall now. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so everything has worked well. We can see now we have this welcome screen which says welcome to 4.9.8. So this means now your WordPress version is the one just before the WordPress 5.0. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back over here to my pages, just click on all pages, and I'm just going to take a quick look at my home page, click on edit, and we can see here that we're back to the old editor. So this should resolve your problems. Okay, so before I conclude this video, it's very, very important that you don't stay with the old version of WordPress. Keep an eye on the plugins that are causing the conflict. They will have an update soon that will be compatible with WordPress 5. And it could also be that your theme is not compatible with WordPress 5. So keep an eye on the theme developers and just make sure that as soon as these themes or plugins are compatible with WordPress 5, you go back and you update your core, which is the WordPress 5.0. And also with the Gutenberg editor, that should solve the problems. But if not, then take the next step and download your core. But as I mentioned, it's very, very important that you don't stay with the old versions because there may be some security implications. Okay, so that's all I have for you in today's tutorial. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell notification if you want to learn more about web design on this channel. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.